Let's be real. If you've ever used an AI and just wished you could get the data without all the fluff, you are in exactly the right place. In the next few minutes, we're going to completely change how you get information out of these tools. Seriously, this is going to save you so many hours of tedious copy pasting. We've all seen this, right? You ask for a simple list, and the AI, trying its best to be a polite assistant, wraps the answer in all this conversational filler. It's nice, I guess, but it's not what we need when we just want the raw data. Exactly. This is what I call the chatty problem. You're stuck deleting the "sure, here you go" at the beginning and the "hope this helps" at the end just to get to the stuff you can actually use. It feels like a tiny annoyance, but man, it adds up to a huge waste of time.
So here's the big mental shift we need to make. We have to change our approach. You need to stop treating the AI like a friendly coworker and start instructing it like the powerful data processor it is. It's all about you taking control and giving it explicit, non-negotiable commands.
And when we talk about data, we've got specific tools for specific jobs. You can ask for a Markdown table if you want something that's just easy on the eyes. If you know you're headed straight for a spreadsheet like Excel or Google Sheets, you want CSV. And for anything related to coding or automation, JSON is going to be your absolute best friend.
Okay, this brings us to the secret weapon, the strict format constraint. This isn't a polite request, it is a direct order. It tells the AI, hey, strip away everything else. No intros, no let me know if you need anything else. Just give me the pure structured data I asked for.
Here it is, the magic phrase. It really is this simple. By adding output only, and then your format, you flip that switch. You go from helpful assistant mode straight into data machine mode. This one little command, it's the key to everything.
And just look at the difference this makes. On the left, you've got that typical messy conversational list that's a pain to work with. But on the right, perfect, clean CSV data. You can literally just copy that block and paste it directly into a spreadsheet. Zero cleanup required. This is the power we're talking about.
Okay, so that was the big idea. Let's move from theory into practice and see how this actually solves real-world problems you probably face every single day.
So picture this. You're trying to buy a new phone. You could ask the AI for a rambling paragraph comparing them, or you could tell it to generate a clean Markdown table just like this. You tell it which phones you want, the exact specs you care about, and then you hit it with output only the Markdown table. Boom. Instantly, you got a super clear, easy-to-read comparison to help you make your decision.
Now, what if you're a developer or you just need to give some data to one? Let's say you need some dummy data for a user profile. Instead of typing it all out, you just tell the AI to generate a fake profile, you specify the exact fields you need, and you command it output only the JSON. You get perfectly formatted code ready to plug into any application. This is a massive, massive time saver.
All right, let's tie this all together. Here is your go-to checklist for getting perfect data every single time. Number 1, state your task clearly. What do you want? Number 2, specify the exact format. You need a table, CSV, or JSON. And 3, the most important step, add that constraint. Output only the format. That's the whole recipe.
So I'll just leave you with this thought. Now that you know the secret of the strict format constraint, just think about all those little moments of manually cleaning up data. With this technique, they're just gone. The real question is, what are you going to do with all the time you just got back?